Back in February, I predicted that Arbitrum token ARB is going to crash in March because of them unlocking 87% more circulating supply, and that is exactly what happened. It actually blew past my expectations. Now, ARB is trading at about $1. It is down about 50% as expected, given that they doubled their supply. I am Delta. Welcome to Delta Code, where I help you navigate crypto and stock markets. I'm an economist with over 20 years of investment experience, here to share my insights and investment ideas.
Don't ask them, what do we know? What I forgot is better than whatever they remember.
In this video here, why Arbitrum token is going to crash in March, we knew that in 21 days at that time, which was 2 months ago, that there's going to be about $1 billion token unlock. At that time, there was about $1 billion of ARB tokens unlocked already, and that means it's going to double the circulating supply, which is now at 2.6 billion. At the time of the video, this was in February, it was trading between 170 and 2, and I predicted that it will drop down to about 1. Basically, once you double the supply, the market cap will remain the same, but the value will be divided by twice as many token, making a price of 1.5. Now that we're about $1, I think it is time to start accumulating our ARB tokens, because this is probably going to be the local bottom. There are monthly unlocks that are still happening that might keep the pressure down, but this is one of the best, if not the top layer 2 by total locked value. One of the reasons why ARB might not go back to the previous prices is because there is competition from other layer 2s like this one, or BASE, or Optimism, which is also part of the BASE ecosystem. Should I say BASE is part of the Optimism stack. So Arbitrum might not go back to its glory days of $2, but given that we are at the start of a bull cycle, I don't see why it shouldn't, given that it is one of the best layer 2s on Ethereum. If we take a look at L2 beat, we can see that Arbitrum is by far the biggest, followed closely, not very closely, by, it has 42%, 43% of the market share. Optimism has 17, and then BASE is closing in quickly with 13. Together, BASE and Optimism have about 30, which is still not enough to beat Arbitrum. Mantle, Blast, Starknet, Manta Pacific, ZK Sync, Linea, these are all up and coming layer 2s with much smaller market shares. So I encourage you to play around with these, especially ZK Sync and Linea, because I'm wearing the shirt and they are likely to do an airdrop. Linea is part of the consensus ecosystem, which also makes MetaMask. So using MetaMask, Linea, and other apps will likely get you enough points to get a nice airdrop. ZK Sync has been expected for a long time as well, so don't sleep on these two. For sure will be huge airdrops. If you don't know what airdrops are, check out some of my other videos. I've done one for Manta Pacific and other ones. I've done one for ZK Sync and Linea not too long ago. Anyways, we are likely at the local bottom for Arbitrum, and I have turned my short position into a long position, actually a little higher than here. So I will continue to dollar cost average in at around 1. If it drops down lower, I'll be happy to buy it at 80 cents as well. That's it. A short and sweet update on Arbitrum, given that it was a short position that I've closed and now I have turned long on it, given that it is a solid project, great development, and the leading L2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and as always, may the force of compound interest be with you. Peace.